Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our grammar lesson, the tenses. Tenses. Last year also we learned about tenses, which is very important concept, which is the basic of all other concept of grammar. Okay, and that's why we want to know about the tenses because next year also and this year also means there are many questions related to tense for your exam. Okay, that's why we want to know about the tenses. See everyone, first definition of tense. The word tense means time. What is the meaning of tense? Tense means time. The tense of a verb gives us an idea of the when an action or event took place. What is the tense function of tense? That gives us the idea, means gives us the tense of a verb. Tense of a verb that gives us an idea. That gives us an idea when an action or event took place. When an action, any action, means action of the verb or any event took place. Took place. That means about that we get the idea in means that tense tells us the idea of related to an action or event took place. Okay. Means how many tenses are there? There are three main tenses of verbs. There are three many tenses of verb. First is the present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. Each of these tenses has the following further classification. Means each of these tenses have the classification. Means which classification is there? Simple tense. Simple tense. Second is continuous tense. Third is perfect tense. And fourth is perfect continuous tense. Means each of these tenses have this classification. Okay. Now today we are going to learn present tense. Means present tense. First there is this means classification of present tense means also there is simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous means perfect continuous tense. Like this way there is a classification of present, means each tense is like this way. Four type of classification is. Now today we are going to learn first present tense, first classification, simple present tense. Now what is the forms? Means if you are know about these forms very well, then you can understood easily how verb can work with subject. Okay, in simple present tense. First is if there is a sentence is affirmative, means there is subject plus V1. Subject plus V1. If the singular subject, take the singular subject. Plural verb subject, take the plural verb. If there is a subject is plural, verb also plural. Plural. If the subject is singular, verb also singular. Okay. Means first and first person singular and first person plural we are writing means only V1. Second person singular and second person plural we are writing only means for V1. And when there is a third person singular he, she, it, that time we are writing only yes or es form of the verb. See here, yes or es form of the verb. For example, he, she, it work means she works, he works, it works. Or another verb also you can write she writes, he writes, it writes. Or she eats, he eats, it eats. Okay, like this way. Means we are writing only third person singular yes or es form of the verb. But if there is a third person plural, that time we are not writing yes or es form of the verb. Means only we are writing they work. They work. Okay. Means I work, we work, you work, you work, he, she, it work, they work. Like this way we can write with the subject this form of the verb. If there is a negative simple present tense, that time we can write the do's form, means do and does. When we are writing do, means after do we are writing the not, and contradiction of that do not, don't or doesn't. Don't or doesn't. Means I do not work, we do not work, you do not work, you do not work, he, she, it does not work, he, she, it does not work, they do not work. Okay, like this way. Or they don't work, he, she, it doesn't work. Means contradiction also we can use for negative form. Okay, then if there is a question like this way, same, only we are writing do before the subject. Do or does before the subject. Means do I work, do we work, do you work, does he, it works, it work, not works, because we are writing here does, and that's why we are writing does he, she, it work. And do they work, like this way we are writing the form of the means question form of simple present tense. These are the affirmative, negative and questions form of simple present tense. See, means like this way we are writing the means tenses. And what is the uses of simple present tense? See, there are 4 uses of simple present tense. To express what is actually taking place at the moment. Means actually taking place at the moment. See, for example, I hear a strange sound coming from the attic. I hear a strange sound coming from the attic. Means it is a that event takes place only. Okay. Means I hear. Here is here. It is a verb. Okay. And I is the subject. And that event, what is event? Sound coming from the attic. Okay. Or you listen my sound. You listen my sound now. Means it is a that means it is a event that actually taking place now. Okay. Means like this way express the what is actually taking place at the means at the moment. Then next is to express a universal truth. Everyone know a universal truth which do not change. We do not change. For example, earth revolves around the sun. Means everyone know earth revolves around the sun. It is a universal truth which do not change, and that's why we are writing simple present tense for. When you are expressing the universal truth, that time only we are using simple present tense. And in any form means we are writing when universal truth related to change the voice, indirect speech, that time also that tense is not going to change. Okay, it remains same. To express a habitual action, next use. He goes to school by bus every day. Means it is his habitual action. Or I am doing study every day. Means it is also habitual action. That time also we are means I do study every day. It is also habitual action. Means like this way we are expressing the habitual action with the help of simple present tense. And last is to indicate a future event that is pre-planned. That is pre-planned. Means indicate a future event that is pre-planned. For example, they go to Goa next month. Means go. They go to Goa. Okay. Means it is the pre-plan. Okay. For means for done for future. Then means for that also there is a means simple present tense we can use. Like this way these are the 4 uses of simple present tense. You have to write the definition of tense and these uses of simple present tense in your grammar notebook. Okay, thank you.